Hello, welcome to page 7 of our Roses and Lace album. Let's do a quick walkthrough on this one, and then we'll go over the tools you're going to need for this video. Once again, you're going to need your base page. Let's talk about it first. I guess I can't talk about it without just telling you what we're doing, right? I use the Country Roads paper here on the front cover. I fussy cut this out to make a wonderful little corner pocket. And there we go. And so we've done that so far in the tutorial, which is coming up right after this video. I do want to add something to it here, but I haven't figured out what it is yet. Then we come over to its flip page, and here we have 2 lace covered pockets, and they close with a magnet. During the tutorial we actually use a ribbon closure, and then I show you how to remove it because it wasn't strong enough to hold the pockets down. So these are 2 pockets. Right here and right here. And then we move into this page, and this page is held down with the magnet, and because the reason we did that was to hold in these tags. So this is a nice little tag pocket. I show you how we get around some problems with it when we make it. We have a photo mat over here. Two smaller photo mats here. And then when you go to this page, I'll show you how to put in this waterfall photo mat. Now we could put another paper under here, but I think it just leaves a nice space for a photo, or you could do some writing back here. But you could put photos on both sides. And these papers, you will need to get some of these waterfall photo sleeves. And this is a We Are Memory Keepers. I ordered these off of Amazon, and they are called waterfall sleeves. I guess you can fuse them together, but I'm not using a fusing tool. We're going to actually make a slit here and put them into our paper and secure them down. So you will need 3 of those. You're also going to need 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 magnets on this page. I know it's a lot. If you're somebody that can't use magnets, then you can make little closures for your pockets. And then you could make some here. There's a lot of different closures you could use if you can't use magnets. So what all are you going to need for this? Well, I use this really wide lace. This here. And I trimmed the top off. It's an ivory lace trim, 3 feet. But let's see how wide it is. It is 3 1/4 inch wide. Okay, and it is a stretchy lace, but it is wonderfully silky. I use that on here, plus that pink ribbon that has the tape on the back, and then I used a little 1/8 inch pink ribbon to top them off. So that, you don't need a lot for these pages, but, oh, you're going to need 2 more magnets here and here. This one uses a lot of magnets. It'll set your tools off and your computer off, so don't get near your computer with it. Or your cameras, or your phone. So, what else are we going to need? Well, we are going to need scissors, sharpened pencils. You will need a cutting knife. Or you can use your cutting mat with the tool that, you know, can line up and cut where between 2 spaces without slitting the whole paper in half. You are going to need your Fabri-Tac and your art glitter glue or a glue. You will need your ink dauber and your ink to go around to distress your pages. You will need your scoreboard and your scoring tools. You may want to use some score tape on this. Oh, you will have to have score tape. I used 1/2 inch score tape on the 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch on the back of the on the back of these waterfalls underneath here where this plastic sheet goes through. I use tape to tape them down so that they will not come out. So we have that. Definitely your scissors. You're going to need your scissors that you can fussy cut with. And I used the Zots. These are the petite dots, clear adhesive dots, and I use those with my magnets, and you'll see that in the tutorial. And I think that is about it. It takes me a while to get the page done. It might be a 2-part video. I can't remember right now. But it's because I had some problems with this piece, the tag pockets, and you'll see why. I should have just put the paper down and glued between, but I didn't. I got a little more complicated than that. But that's sometimes what I do. Hi, Luigi. What are you doing? So anyway, want to peek at page 8? It's in my head. I haven't done it yet. So this is where I'm up to, and I'm trying to get caught up and get ahead. And like I said, I had been sick for a week and was unable to get to any videos, and so I'm behind now. So this is why we're doing page-by-page walkthroughs. So every day is a surprise, isn't it? Every video gets to be a surprise. So thank you for joining me. Hang tight, and the video follows this walkthrough, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you're following along and joining me, and if you have questions, please send me an email or leave me a comment down below. And I look forward to thumbs ups and likes and shares and subscriptions and all that good stuff. So anyway, I enjoy doing this, and really, please, if you have a question about the tutorial, just pop a question up to me and I will give you an answer. And as long as it's about the tutorial. So anyway, it's been great. I will see you in just a little bit. Thank you again for joining me. This is Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts. See you soon.